Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20. Today I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. Let's open Google app firstly, tap a button in the right corner, go to settings and select Google Assistant. Select voice match and make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, send a message to Lily." Send a message to Lily.
Sure. What's the message?
Hey, how are you?
Sending your message saying, "Hey, how are you?"
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.